Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you the process how you guys will create a social media content calendar and how you guys will create content and how you guys will research days of interest and how you can customize your social media content calendar. So I will show you what calendar we are using right now. So this is my website, so I can show you the website for the which website we are doing these things. So for this website, so this is a recruitment website. So we are providing software services, kind of a video interview software services. So this business is for this, and this is a content calendar for this business. So I can show you how we are creating. So you can see there you can add your date. So 1st August, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So this is the date, and this is the day. Like for the 1st August, the day is Thursday, and the 2nd August, the day is Friday. So this is the date and this is the day, and this is the days of interest. So there we are mentioned our holidays, so Friendship Day and the International Youth Day and the World Humanity Day. So there we are mentioning these things. So why this is important? So you can, so suppose that our business is related for the HR, career, and the employees and the software. So this is our category, business category. So according to the category, we can research days of interest. So suppose that, like, if I wanting, so I can go to use Gemini, where I can ask. So this is a month of September, so I can go to research days of interest. So in September month, so holidays in 2024 September. So you can see this is the holidays of September month, and give me some closed related to HR INDUS industry. So Christmas and fast, Diwali and holidays, Independence Day, Mental Health Awareness Day, and the Diversity and Inclusion Day, local and regulation holidays, company specific holidays. So this is the your days of interest. So with the help of Gemini and with the help of Google, you can research your days of interest related to your business and the special days, like you can see Eid al Fitr. I haven't idea how I can pronounce. So Christmas and Easter. So you can also include these things. So this is special holidays, and also you can research uh, related to your business and your company. Okay. And the next thing what we can explore, so this is your days of interest. So I understand, I think you can understand, you will research your days of interest related to your businesses. Now the time is, so we can move through the type. So this is the your content type, yeah, or your feed type. So like there we have post a meme. So this is a meme category, regular creative, blog post, poll, press release, infographic, carousel, quote, meme, event, article, or video. So this is the our social media content category. So which category we can go to create a content? So this is a meme post, this is a poll post. In the poll post, what we are doing, in the poll post we are adding caption, and this is the question, and this is your polls. Regular creative is, you can see this is the regular creative where we have created content and the blog post. So suppose that if we published any new blog, so this is the content, social media content related to the blog, and this is the blog URL, and the regular creative press release. So if we publishing any press release anywhere, so we can create social media posts for these also, and this is the same thing, so you can research. Okay, next is note. So suppose that if any days we are skip, we can planning to skip, we can skip social media posts, so where we can simply add skip. So on Friday we haven't post any social media post feed. Okay, and this is the your social medias channels. So this is the Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Threads, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. So whatever link I'm publishing, whatever content I'm publishing, I can going to add there now. So this is the, I can collect all my social feed. So if I wanting to check these posts, so I can simply click on this. I can found this post on social media. Okay, so this is a process for the so this is the social media calendar we are following. So if is this helpful for you, so you can use, so I can provide this template, so I can download this template and I can upload in my our Google Drive, so where you guys are able to download easily. Okay, and that's the simple. And you can also research if you want, and according to your requirement you can customize your template, either you can add new things. So okay, so this is a process for the creating social media content calendar. So I hope if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details or the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.